Hi, my name is Adnan Hasbi and welcome to another episode of Funny Finance Guy. In this episode, we will open our first trading account and I've chosen Rakuten for this. As of the time of this recording, this would be the movement control order period where it's impossible to go anywhere. So Rakuten allows you to actually sign up for a trading account without leaving the house, which is basically what we are doing, not leaving the house. So I guess the first thing we should do, please note that this is my first time too trying to open an account. So I will be opening the account with you guys. So if I succeed, I'll upload this video. Otherwise, we'll see. So first we click open account. So it says here earn up to 4,000 RT points when you sign up. Document checklist, IC, and utility or phone bill. Okay, so we have three choices over here. The first is the cash up front, which basically allows you to buy and sell shares based on how much of cash you have. The second is dual, which includes the cash up front and also contra account. I did a quick Google on the contra account for Rakuten, and what it is basically you can use credit to buy shares, and you will owe Rakuten for a period of 2 days, upon which you have to make a payment. And the final one is also using credit to facilitate your trade. I think it says here the facility limit is up to 100,000. Just a quick note here, guys. If you are buying or selling shares, it's never advisable to buy it credit. It's always advisable to always buy it cash. And the rationale being stocks or shares, they tend to move up and down in value. If you are a long-term player, it makes sense. And in the short term, if the prices were to go down, and if you are trading based on credit, that will not be so favorable to us. So right now, let us just click sign up. So once you have clicked that button, you will come to this particular page which needs you to fill up your basic information. That will include your name, nationality, BNM residency status, your ID. I think this would be pictures of your ID, title, when you're born. Pretty standard, simple information. So for BNM residency status, if you want to click yes, the criteria for that is Malaysian citizen without foreign PR. So that will be me. If no, we would be a non-Malaysian citizen without a Malaysian PR. Okay guys, while filling up this form, I came across referral code, which basically is the award your friends with extra Rakuten trade points. Over here, I will highly appreciate if you could put me as a referral, which you can find in the description section. Okay, so I've already filled up my name in this form. The next will be the IC card, where you have to take pictures of it, both back and front. Over here, what I've done is I've used my phone camera and taken a picture and emailed it to myself. So that's how you kind of get your picture. But the file size that my phone gave me is above 2 megabytes. So what I suggest is you open it using Microsoft and resave it as a JPEG or a PNG. So welcome to the Microsoft Paint. It is one of the free softwares that you can get from your Windows. What we can do over here is click Save As, and we can save it as a JPEG. Put this as upload so that I won't get confused. So that's the back of the IC. For the front, it's just rinse and repeat. Okay, so once you have filled it up, you need to click proceed to next step. So after filling up basic information, we go to page number 2, which is personal information. This will include trading PIN, country of birth, residency, so on and so forth. With regards to trading pin, I hovered around the question mark. It says there trading pin is one of the security features to engage in trading online with 6 digits code only. If I'm not mistaken, I used to have the same feature for another platform of mine, where every time when we want to trade, we have to enter a safety number in as a security measure. Okay, so over here, it pre-filled our country of birth and residency, which is Malaysia. Next will be our race. So kind of click over here. Marital status, employment status. I don't know whether a YouTuber, probably self-employed. Industry, entertainment, I guess. Finance. Education. I'm trying to find education. Okay, education, sub-industry, college. Job title. So for education, since I'm in education and I'm teaching, so I guess lecturer would be a great fit. Company and company address and home address. Okay, let's type this in. Okay, after you filled up the personal information, now comes the financial information. Not to scare any of us, but this is the basic KYC. Almost all investment firms have this set of information. So let's kind of fill it up. With regards to the FATCA, whether you hold a green card US or US passport, okay, so when we come down to the common reporting standards, we have Malaysian tax resident, and we have a TIN. And I just Googled it. What this is the nombor cukai pendapatan. So we can kind of copy this from the IRB and paste it over here. And after doing that, we are done. So once you have filled up everything, please click next. Okay, so once you've clicked next, it will say thank you for signing up with Rakuten Trade. Your account application is submitted successfully. So on and so forth. You will have your reference ID just in case. And in 2 hours, let's see what happens. Okay, wish everyone the best of luck.